Run.
What? Yo, bro. What the bro? Sorry, bro. Yo, bro.
Run.
Bro. What?
Oh no!
Oh my God, bro. Yo, did you just sneeze on me, bro? No, bro. Bro, what happened? Like, what you do that for, bro? No, bro. That was just a prank. That's my hell on tool, bro. Bro, I didn't mean to do that. Bro, no. That's just a prank. That's just a prank. You can see. That's just a prank, bro. That's just a prank.
Oh no!
Oh, what the hell, bro?
Run.
Oh no!
Hey, what are you doing? I was just sneezing, brother. What is this way doing? What happened? No, brother, that was... No, I've just sneezed. I didn't mean to do that, bro. Okay, you have shoes for me? No, bro. What's the problem?
Você me molhou.
Isso olha forte. You have shoes?
I know, I'm sick. Você me molhou, pô.
Oh, he's sick.
Yeah, I'm sick. I mean,
What happened? Okay.
You just sneezed over everything.
I'm sorry, man. I'm just sick.
Sick?
Yeah, man. I'm sorry.
Man, get away from me. I'm not with that sick stuff, bro.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Hitting me? Hitting me? Hitting me? Oh. Fake meeting back, man.
That wasn't my sneeze.
Yo, I was bugged out, fam. You serious?
Yeah, you can see the camera right there.
Yo, my bad. Oh, that's just a prank. Oh, that's just a prank, Okay, bro. Thank you so much. Is it cool for yourself to be in the video? Yeah, cool? Cool? Good for you guys? Alright, thank you, man. See you guys.
Yeah, man. Just say like, subscribe to the Insane Pranks, please.
Insane Pranks?
Yeah.
Y'all go ahead and follow my man, Insane Pranks, right?
Alright, man. Thank you so much.